Okay, Harley did the one thing I thought he'd never, ever do. He is on the bed with me. Yeah, aren't you? You are on the bed with me. You jumped up here all by yourself and cuddled up on the bed with me. What kind of drugs are you on, Cat? It's because of the rain. He does not like the rain whatsoever. And his daddy's not home to protect him. But, yep, he is. See? I know, that's my belly fat. He is on the bed. See, there's what the... Oh, there he goes. Harley! See if I can get him back up here. Harley! Are you here? Harley! Where'd you go? Peekaboo! He does not like the rain. Come on, up here. Get up here. Come on. Harley. Hey, I'm talking to you. No! Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. See, he is on the bed. He has never been in this bed before that I know of. Oh, it's okay, kitty. It's okay, kitty. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, he's scared. Yeah, he is so scared. All right.